Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use your Google Play Store, Galaxy Store or Google Chrome on Samsung Galaxy M14. And to do this, first let's try to open anything on our browser, so we can go for Google Chrome. As you can see, there's a problem, and same thing with Google Play Store. So if we try to install any game or any app, it's stuck in a pending. And to fix both of these issues, we'll need to open our settings. Then at the bottom you should find General Management, enter it and go for the date and time, and set automatic date and time. If you go back and try to reload the page on Google Chrome or any browser, it should work fine. And the same is with Google Play Store, so we can download the games now and apps as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.